Hello. Today I'm going to describe how to set up the savings account module for Jackrabbit with the 3C exchange. I've already picked a coin I want that's been my highest profiting coin. So I've got that chart loaded and I'm on the 1 minute candlestick. So now let's load the Jackrabbit Savings Account module. Here we go. Okay, it is loaded. Right now, we are looking at the market in its current flow and what the module is tracking within the market. This is what you will most likely see when you first start a module, something already in progress. And it's just a matter of waiting for this cycle to end and then for it to enter you into the market. This is what I call market flow. This is the average price that it's tracking and the number of buys that it's currently tracking for this particular flow. I went this way because this is the most efficient way to manage and track the market appropriately. Now the price action is right in the middle of the step deviation and the average price. So it could go either way and it might take a little bit of time before you actually enter the market. But when you do, you will have a good, reliable, consistent position. And if you scroll the market back, you'll begin to see which direction the market is moving. It looks like this coin may be moving downward. And you see the last time it actually made a purchase, which was on the 2nd. So this is the coin I want to use. I recommend staying with the top 13 coins because they are the most stable and most reliable. The module is loaded. You can look at the settings if you like, but there's nothing at all you need to worry about. This is the way it should be set up for basic operations. Nice, simple, and direct. So go ahead and get out of that. And now let's actually go into 3C and set up the bot we need to run this coin. Now for the purposes of my testing, always start with the paper bot first. It has to be a composite bot. We want the XMR coin. So let's pick XMR only. This needs to be 1 coin per composite bot. Now we need 100, the maximum number of deals available. This will give an error until we're at the bottom of the configurations. Once everything is said and done, this error will disappear. Now we want to use an $11 base position. We're not using safety orders, but you still have to have a number here. And we want market price. We need speed to move this quickly. Now, we want the savings account to drive all the signals. So use the TradingView custom signal. Because we are using buy and sell through TradingView, we want this at 99%. That way it is out of the way of the bot itself. We're not using a stop loss because this system will take everything down to 100% volume of the coin automatically. Now we're not using 3 commas safety orders. We're using only the savings account module to drive everything. If you use the 3 comma safety orders, you could incur a loss because everything is calculated within the module itself. It keeps track of everything it needs, and so anything that is added that it can't see can cause you problems. So, no safety orders. All the rest of this is ignored completely. And now, we need this to be 100 as well. So, now that this is 100, let's go back up to the top, and you'll see that the error that was above is gone. See, no error now. The Create Bot window lit up. See the button lit up. So now we can create this bot. 1 coin. We have an $1,100 reserve just in case. And here we go. Now we're going to start it. And now it's going to take us to the next screen where we can get our messages. We're going to use 2 messages. The start deal message, and in this particular case, close all deals. This is an averaging algorithm, so all market orders have to be closed at once. This is important and different from normal strategies. Make sure you use this message for your sell signal. For now, let's click on this message. Remember, don't share this with anyone, but for the circumstances of right now, this is a paper bot that I will destroy later on. Click on it, it's copied. Come back here. Scroll this window over to the alert button. Set your condition first. Jackrabbit, buy asset once per close. And now we simply copy the message in. This is our buy message. Nice, straightforward, and simple. Click on Create. You will get this warning because Jackrabbit uses real-time data. Click on Continue anyway. And now your alert to buy is set up. Come back to your 3C bot. We've done that one. Come down to close at market price. All of them at once. Copy it, and you just click on it to copy it. Come back here. Click on your alert button again. Set your condition. Set this to sell asset once per bar close. And now come down here and plug in your message. And then create it. Now before I go anywhere else, I want to bring this up. This changed recently, so make sure you use the most up-to-date webhook. Make sure you use the most up-to-date webhook. This is what it should look like. This is the end of it. This is the beginning of it. You can also find this in the 3 commas area of the Jackrabbit support server. So you must use this new webhook. Once you have your messages plugged in, create, continue anyway, and now your bot is up and running. That's it. click on the alarm clock here. And let's see. Okay, here we are. The two messages that we set up. One for buying, one for selling. You are now ready for it to do what it needs to do. At this point, you just wait for the market to decide which way it wants to go. Until next time.